If you're looking for the best carbon handlebar, you're in the perfect spot. Whether you're upgrading your ride for comfort, performance, or just a sleek aesthetic, a quality carbon handlebar can make all the difference. In this video, we'll dive into the features, benefits, and reasons why these products stand out, helping you choose the one that suits your needs. We've spent countless hours researching hundreds of options so you don't have to. From lightweight designs to advanced ergonomics, we've compiled the top 5 handlebars to enhance your cycling experience. Be sure to check the product links in the description to find your perfect match. Let's get started. Number 5. The KOCEVLO Carbon Fiber Bicycle Handlebar offers an incredible blend of performance and durability. Made from lightweight carbon fiber, this handlebar is designed to reduce resistance while providing added strength for road bikes. With widths ranging from 308 mm to 440 mm and internal routing for cables, it ensures a sleek and aerodynamic profile. Whether you're racing or cruising, the Aero Rune model delivers enhanced performance. Pros: lightweight and durable, sleek internal routing, customizable widths. Cons: limited to road bikes, not ideal for riders seeking integrated mounts. But Number 4. The DEDA ALAENRA Carbon Road Handlebar takes integration to a new level. Featuring full internal wiring and a built-in bike computer holder, this handlebar combines functionality with style. Its lightweight carbon fiber construction and multiple width options make it a versatile choice for road cyclists. With a 28.6-inch clamp diameter, it's compatible with most modern setups. Pros: integrated computer mount, full internal wiring, customizable widths. Cons: slightly higher price point, primarily suited for advanced users. Number 3. The RXL SL Carbon Drop Bar is perfect for road racers seeking a lightweight and ergonomic option. With external routing, UD matte finish, and a weight as low as 170 g, this handlebar is both functional and stylish. The 123 mm drop and 77 mm reach offers superior control, making it ideal for competitive riders. Pros: extremely lightweight, ergonomic design, multiple width options. Cons: external routing may not suit all riders, limited color choices. Number 2. The TOSEEK MTB handlebar is built for mountain bikers who demand precision and durability. Its carbon fiber construction and integrated design provide a strong, lightweight solution. With widths ranging up to 800 mm and a 17 ng stem angle, it offers excellent control and stability on rough terrain. Pros: wide range of sizes, durable for rugged trails, integrated stem. Cons: slightly heavier than competitors, limited aesthetic options. Number 1. The Syncros new FRASER ICSL-WC handlebar is the ultimate choice for mountain bikers. With a unique 40-deg integrated cockpit design, this handlebar offers unparalleled aerodynamics and control. Made from premium toned 1000 full carbon fiber, it's both lightweight and robust, making it a top-tier choice for serious riders. Pros: advanced ergonomic design, premium materials, integrated computer stand. Cons: high cost, tailored for competitive use.